This is an elevator to the Express Tram and Sky Club at the Detroit International Airport in Detroit, Michigan. Let's go with 3. 1, I believe, is the underground tunnel, which this elevator does not serve. It's an O Series 4. Also, I should probably point out dual COPs, dual indicators. And as you can see, the train comes every 4 minutes, and there is not one there right now. It connects, I don't know, I don't remember what gates it connects, but it goes from the south end of Concourse A to the north end, and we're at the north end right now. Also, I should probably do a cab view. It's just a basic stainless steel cab. Let's go to 3. Here's a little look at the floor, the ceiling. And here we are at 3. Oh, the train's right there. Yeah, watch the door. Wait. Let's just watch the doors close really quick. Not those doors, the other doors. There we go. Now let's watch those doors close, the elevator doors. Anyway, there's your emergency phone. This is elevator A13. A, I'm guessing, is because this is Concourse A. And there's your emergency phone. 3,500 pound capacity. And also there's Concourse A. It's a very long terminal. And that'll be it.